Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in Salesforce. Custom fields allow you to capture specific information that's unique to your business, making your CRM work exactly the way you need it to. First, log into your Salesforce account through your web browser. Once you're in, look up to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This takes you to the administrative hub where you can customize nearly every aspect of your Salesforce environment. Now, you'll see a quick find box in the setup menu. Type Object Manager into this search box. This tool helps you navigate Salesforce's customization options quickly. Click on Object Manager from the results that appear. The Object Manager is where you'll manage all the standard and custom objects in your Salesforce instance. In the Object Manager list, scroll down and find Account, then click on it. The account object is one of the most commonly customized areas since it stores information about your customers and prospects. Once you're viewing the account object, look to the left sidebar and click on Fields and Relationships. This section displays all the fields currently associated with accounts. To create your new custom field, click the New button. Salesforce will now guide you through the field creation process. Select Picklist as your field type, then click Next. Picklists are perfect when you want users to choose from a predefined set of options, ensuring data consistency across your organization. For the field label, type Customer Tier. This label is what users will see when they're viewing or editing an account. In the Values section, select the option that says Enter Values, with each value separated by a new line. In the text box that appears, enter your picklist values one per line. Bronze, Silver, and Gold, these represent the different customer tiers you'll be tracking. Click Next to continue. The next screen controls field level security. Here you'll select which user profiles should have access to view and edit this field. Choose the appropriate profiles for your organization, then click Next. Now you'll choose the page layouts where this field should appear. Typically, you'll want to select Account Layout so the field shows up when users view account records. Click Next once more. Finally, review the summary screen to confirm all your settings are correct, then click Save. Your custom field is now live and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.